Welcome to my channel, Marshall Technologies. And if you're new to this channel, please do subscribe our channel so that you don't miss any important updates when we publish any new videos on our channel. So today we are going to learn how we will navigate on Salesforce Org, or I would say Salesforce environment once you are logged in on the platform. Okay, so once you are logged in on the platform, you will see this home page. You will be landed on this home page, where on the top right corner you will be seeing few of the buttons and drop down menus. Okay, so the button here, the first one, is shows about your profile. Then you're having a notification bell icon. Okay, then you're having a gear icon which stands for setup. Then we are having Salesforce help and few more buttons here. Okay, we are more interested about learning the setup navigation today. Okay, in this video we will see how to navigate into the setup. So if you're not on the home page, basically to see this, the right side column which you are seeing is the setup menu. The right side column, if it's your setup menu. Let's say if you're not on this home page, then you will not be able to see this setup menu. So first thing, let's move out of this page. Let's go to object manager. So once we are in object manager, let's say, now we are not able to see the setup menu. So to navigate to the setup menu, you have to come here. As a Salesforce admin, you will be able to see this button. If you're not able to see this button, that means your profile is not having access to setup menu. Only system admin and special profiles in Salesforce has access to setup menu. So once you're on this setup menu, click here, click on setup. Once you click on this setup, again you will see the setup menu on the left side of your org or the environment page or the web page. Okay, so in this setup menu there are three important sections. What are those three important sections? Is administration, platform tools, and settings. Okay, so when you come down, you will be able to see here settings, administration, platform tools, and settings. Now administration is basically used to manage users, and it is used to configure profiles and permission sets that is associated with the user's permissions, and basically what sort of permission the user can have on this Salesforce platform, what things he can access on the Salesforce platform, or when he is working in a real-time project, what resources he can access. Such settings are basically being provided by permission set and public group. So we will create another video on permission sets and public group. So for now, these permission sets and public groups are being used to add permissions, like what the user will be able to see, what the user should not be able to see. So all such settings are basically done in this user section. Then we are having data. So all the data import, data export, all such things can also be administered from this administration section where you will be doing the mass data transfer. Okay, let's say from a CSV file, if you want to update millions of record, or let's say thousands of record using the data tools, you can make in case, let's say if you're using thousands of records, you can make use of your data imports. Okay, in case if you are working with millions of record, you need to make use of an external data loader, external API to load the more data. Okay, so for data administration, we are using administration, and then also for creating email templates and managing the emails and all on our org, we are basically making use of administration. So these three are the important section of administration. The second most important section is platform tools. In this, whatever data model we are creating on the platform, whatever apps we are creating on the platform. All such things are basically being handled from this section, platform section. Okay, platform tools, events, process automation, flows, anything, let's say integration, all such things basically will be done with the help of platform tools. So this is very important section for a Salesforce developer. And administration and setting is very important section. The setting is the third section, okay, which is the important section for a Salesforce admin. Okay, so as a Salesforce admin, users must to be able to navigate to administration as well as your setting section, whereas as a developer, most of your time you will be spending here on the platform tools, creating apps, modifying, customizing apps, going to Einstein, which is basically your AI platform in Salesforce, MuleSoft, it's an integration middleware. Okay, so all such things can be handled for part of your developer journey, will be handled from the platform tools. Okay, so now we move to the third and the last important section of your setup menu is your settings. In settings, you're having few important things, that is your company settings, where you can identify what is your org, which company is using this org, all such things, your domain, all such things is basically handled from your setting section in company settings. Then any security related to your org, the external security I'm talking about, is being handled or monitored using this security section. Okay, so security settings in event monitoring, or let's say we are having session settings, login access policy, from which IP address you can log into Salesforce. So all such things are basically managed here in this security section of your settings. Okay, so what we learned, how to navigate to your setup menu, right? How to and what are the main important section of your setup menu. Then we have seen, as a part of your admin or your developer journey, these are the most important section that you will be spending your most of your time. Okay, so that's it for today's, guys, and we will see you in the next video. Okay, so if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe, follow, and like our video. If you really like it, share it with your friend whom you think are interested in learning Salesforce. So thank you for being here, and see you in the next video. Thank you.